Hello YouTube. So we're here to get this out. So we're gonna be installing this, getting this old head deck out, so right now we'll get started. Like right now, all I gotta do is like pop out this top. So once I start popping out this top, then we'll get everything out. So all right, I'll be right back. Cut the radio down. I don't know what I'm thinking about, but I did get the little. It's only one fitted piece, so you can easily pop it out. Me myself, I had a. I don't know what I just did with it that quick. Oh, I had this right here, so that worked. So I just popped them out. It's like you got four. Let me see. One, two, three. So you got four. One I actually kept out, so, and I gotta actually find out where we put it at. There's one screw. Maybe I got it up inside the box though, but we'll get it. Like I said, it's like 4 screws, so we took 4 screws out. So I'll be right back. All right, we got it working. But the thing I just wanted to show you guys before I, tighten everything up or tidy everything up, your remote wire must hook up to this blue wire. Now, I did get this. So this is called IMC Audio. I think this is the wrong one. Maybe this is, I don't know which one I had. Let me see if I can find it again. Oh, okay, here it go. This is the one. It's called Harmony Audio. I got it off eBay. So, and it's the right harness. It works perfectly. All right, so once we done, we'll be back. Show you how this radio sound a little bit. All right. Okay, we got the radio in and everything, but I'm trying to see if I can get this dash over it. This might be the problem, so we're gonna look at it now. You can hear it a little bit. Here, we cut that down. Just a little glimpse of that. So we will be right back. We're gonna try to get this dash on. All right, y'all, before I put this dash on, I had to cut it. But I had to cut the little shadow part that was in the groove of this. So it's a little shadow part that was up in the groove of that. And that whole middle part has got to come off. So we're about to see how it fit on there. Fingers crossed, everybody. All right, it's the best I can do, man. It's the best I can do. I mean, I had to put a little side tape. Maybe I could like work that in a little bit, but I don't know. If anything, I'll put a black tape on it if it really irritates them. But I had to just like do some double side tape to stick it on there. Man. All right, man. I mean it's a little bit hard to do this dash thing. You're gonna have to cut it in order to fit a radio in there, unless you get the radio without the CD player. See, he chose the one with the CD player and it needed more space to get up in there. But I'm digging it. So let's just hope he like it. All right, subscribe and like the video.